Because our warranty has expired in our 2014 Ford Escape Titanium, my son and I decided to change the oil. Upon changing the oil, this notification remained on. The simple fix for this situation is to turn the car battery on without starting the vehicle. After doing so, you simultaneously push in the brake and the gas for 30 seconds. Before the process is completely done, your notification will turn to 0, but sustain holding your brake and your gas at the same time until it says your reset is complete. After doing so, your notification should be gone, and the next time you start your car, you shouldn't see that notification until your next oil change is due.